From breaking news to invention so grand, Mystic Lands, the place where we could come together, yo, and all take a stand. We'll tackle issues, make the world shine bright. With knowledge and kindness, yo, we're shining all of our light. In Mystic Land, yo, the world is a stage where Mystical's room, and stories gonna engage. From Mystic Post to the faraway shores, we're learning and exploring, always wanting some more and more.
Welcome to Mystic Post Broadcasting Company. 3, 2, 1, buckle up for Auroch Sciencey Wincy News.
Scientists find signs of alien life. Wow, this is great news, Auroch said to himself as he read the book of everything. What is great? Scotch, Verum, and Felix were gathered all around Auroch to find out. Scientists found signs that there might be life on a planet far, far away. Really? Is that true? Felix was excited. I wonder what the aliens look like. Do they have shiny robot bodies? Or maybe 2 wiggly antennae on their heads? Auroch shook his head. Felix, you're being silly again. If we find life on another planet, it probably won't look like the aliens in movies. What are you talking about? Of course it will, Felix exclaimed. What will it look like, Auroch? Verum ignored Felix and asked. It will probably be really, really small, like tiny germs or plants, Auroch explained. Just like what scientists think they have found on a planet called K2-18b. A group of scientists in the United Kingdom studied the planet. The United Kingdom is a country in Europe. The scientists found special gases in its air that come from tiny life forms like little plants and bacteria here on Earth. They found more of these gases on K2-18b than we have on Earth. That could mean there are tiny plants and bacteria there. Tell us more about the planet, Auroch, Scott said. K2-18b is 2.5 times bigger than our Earth. It is 124 light years away from Earth, and that is super far. No human could go there in their lifetime. Wow, Scotch was amazed. How did the scientists see this planet if it is so far away? Well, the scientists used a powerful telescope called NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. It can look at planets that are really, really far away. This discovery is important for science and for humans. If there's one planet with life, there might be many more out there, Auroch said. Okay, great, Felix sighed, but I still wish aliens had 2 antennae. Now, it's time for Flash News.
Pointy ears, sharp minds, listen carefully, and answers you shall find. Ready for Flash News? Your 1 minute starts now.
Have you ever stumbled upon a fossil in your backyard? Fossils are the ancient remains of plants and animals that lived a long time ago. Recently, a curious 7-year-old boy named Elliot from England made an exciting discovery while digging in his backyard. He found fossils of ammonites, which are ocean creatures from when dinosaurs roamed the earth. Hope you unearth even more amazing fossils in the future, Elliot. Let's move on from ancient ocean creatures to an ancient tree. In Sydney, Australia, A couple named Pamela and Alistair Thompson are growing a special tree called the Wollemi pine. This is also known as the dinosaur tree. The Wollemi pine is one of the rarest trees in the world. This amazing tree which dinosaurs used to munch on millions of years ago just bore fruit for the very first time. Shh! The Mystic Girl has a message for us. Hello, Earthlings. When I'm on my regular Earth patrols, I often hear humans say, "Work smart, not hard." But my dear little humans, I say work hard. Just look at the team of scientists who are working hard to study space and discover new things. Or think about the amazing story of Pamela and Alistair Thompson, who are working hard to take care of their rare tree. They received their reward after years of hard, quiet work. Working hard means repeatedly working on something with complete dedication. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam rightly said, if you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. Hard work brings alive a feeling of accomplishment. You feel proud of yourself and confident for achieving something. You feel like you're shining as bright as the sun. So whatever task you work on, give it your all. Do it with all your heart. Work hard and work smart.
From breaking news to inventions so grand, Mystic Lands, the place where we could come together, yo, and all take a stand. We'll tackle issues, make the world shine bright. With knowledge and kindness, yo, we're shining all of our light. And Mr.